Welcome, here I've got OPPO Reno 6 5G and let me show you how to turn on and off the camera shooter sound at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's move to right corner button so we can get access to more options about the camera we can manage with camera settings at the last position, so let's open them. And here at the first position we can find the shooter sound option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. Now let me keep it turned off when we move back to the camera, and when I take another picture we can't hear it. And of course when we tap to right corner button once again, then open camera settings and turn on the sound, we can hear it. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.